Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video we are going to show you how to play career mode in eFootball 2024. Let's begin. Now, playing career mode in eFootball can be highly rewarding and enjoyable experience for several reasons, because career mode basically offers a deep and immersive experience, allowing you to manage all aspects of a football team from tactics to transfers, and it gives you a sense of realism and involvement. Now, basically, career mode allows you to hone your strategic and managerial skills by handling team informations, player development, and match tactics, providing a comprehensive football management experience. But the thing is, you can only play career mode in eFootball using the PC version or the Xbox version, because if you play here in the eFootball mobile version, it's free, right? But the thing is, it's limited. Sorry to hate to break it to you guys, even if you go to the support center, you can't find any information about playing career mode in eFootball here. Now, you can also, if you go to the settings, there's no option that could give you an ability to play the career mode in eFootball. Now, what I need you to do instead is simply hover to these platforms. One is Steam, and all I have to do is just pay for it, download the game, add it to your cart, and install it on your computer. All right. The next option that you can have is you can get it for the Xbox version. eFootball is available on the platform, and from there install and enjoy the eFootball, especially the career mode, because from there career mode sets specific objectives and milestones for your achievement, such as winning league titles, domestic cups, or even European competitions, providing a sense of progression and accomplishment. Because career mode in eFootball 2024 offers a comprehensive and engaging football management experience that caters to both casual players and hardcore football enthusiasts. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.